Are you in Indio, California looking for air conditioning repair or installation services? So let me tell you why I'm the right technician for you. Hi, I'm Oscar. I'm a US Air Force veteran and I have a company called Eco Air Heating and Cooling. I know you're looking for pricing and I know this may be the most important matter to you. I understand the need for you to have a comfortable and healthy environment while still being able to provide for you and your family. So let's talk about it. Number one, the way we calculate how much we charge is all dependent on the inspection. We go to your property and we look at every single detail to see exactly what is needed. Then at the end of that inspection, we provide you a few options to choose from the most economical option to the most premium. Number two, if you don't have the money or a credit card to pay, don't worry, we give you the ability to apply for financing loan, and it actually gives us an approval rate within seconds. Number three, Eco Air has been in business for 10 years. You can rest assured that we're going to be focused on providing you a high top tier installation of whatever system you decide to go with. So this means less problems down the line. For example, so if you were to hire a handyman, you'd be pretty much throwing your money away because only licensed contractors, air conditioning contractors to be specific, are legally allowed to pull air conditioning equipment out of these certified supply houses. Not to mention the most important part, we provide warranties for both labor and parts. We're located in Riverside, California, but we service most of Southern California. Thank you for your time. You made it this far, so give us a chance. Give us a call or message us.